Hey rabbits, Ted here, Phoebe, here to give you another little rabbit remedy for today. This one is about how to prioritise. Over the years of my journey managing my well-being and distress at times, I've had a lot of experience in having to prioritise, and sometimes those decisions are just about practical tasks. Sometimes about life decisions, relationships, managing workload, managing stressful situations. But there's, as I'm sure many of you share, there are situations where we get an experience in having to make very carefully prioritize decisions, or having to prioritize making very careful decisions. So very similar thing. So after a while of my journey and my lived experience, my distress and my well-being and trial and error, I formed a bit of a method of how to make decisions very carefully, especially when you're stressed. So this video might be helpful for people who do experience a lot of distress. And so here's 3 quick tips, which are simply questions you can ask yourselves, which might help you in prioritizing and making decisions. So question 1, ask yourself, does this decision have to be made now? And I guess that there is a second part to that. It is a little snippet from me, is that I kept hearing from a very wise person the saying, do nothing in a hurry. To not do something or make a decision very quickly, if you can avoid it. So if there's no time pressure, you can consider that perhaps later on, or at any point, you can change your nothing into something. Question 2, ask yourself, if you need to make this decision really quickly and you are quite stressed, consider, is this decision reversible, and what are the implications of it being reversible or irreversible? Essentially, a lot of things in life are actually reversible. If you really think about it, that doesn't mean it's very easy, but some things, if you put them into simple circumstances, can be reversed, but that still might be very difficult. So think about it in the context that you need to. What's reversible and what isn't, and what can I live with? Because that's really important. What can I live with? And 3, does the decision that you're perhaps feeling obligated to make bend your personal or professional values? Are you breaking your values? And ask yourself, is the easier road to take right now potentially a path that is going to lead me into a moral wilderness later? And I guess that's just 3 quick tips, essentially 3 quick questions to ask yourself if you need to make quite an important decision, whether you're time pressured or not, or a little bit stressed or not. I think some variations of those, or 1 or 2 of them, can be really helpful. That's my little rabbit remedy for today. Have a great day.